In front of me is Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Special Features. Then hit Gestures. Tap on one-handed mode and use this switcher to activate it if you are using gesture navigation. Make sure that full screen into reach is on, no matter what navigation you are using. And then to use one-handed mode, pull down the top half of your screen by swiping down from the bottom of it. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable it completely, use the same no black switcher. If you are using true keys navigation though, this option will be unavailable. To use one-handed mode anyway, scroll all the way down. Use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Hit OK and use one-handed mode thanks to this shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!